Hey, what's up, everybody? Sammy Betancourt here. Welcome to another installment of the My Food Journal. So today we're gonna go into another recipe, and it is the ground turkey quesadilla. Okay, so this is a great recipe and meal for those who are looking to put on some size, to put on some lean muscle, because it's packed with calories, packed with protein. You have your essential fats and carbs and all those good stuff, right? Now, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to cut and get shredded, then I would stay away from this meal, right? But if you are looking, like I said, to gain muscle, build muscle, then this is a great recipe to add into what you're eating throughout the week, right? It's going to give you extra calories. It's going to help you hit the caloric goal that you have to get to in order to elicit bigger muscles and get size, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at this ground turkey quesadilla recipe.